Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian, mostly composed of free and open source software. Ubuntu is officially released in 3 editions: desktop, server, and core for the Internet of Things devices and robots. All the editions can run on the computer alone, or in a virtual machine. In this video, I will install Ubuntu desktop version. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay connected with my latest videos. First, download the ISO image from the official site. Link is in my description box. Now, create a bootable pen drive. To create a bootable pen drive, we need Rufus. Put a minimum of 8 GB pen drive. Now double-click to open Rufus. Here click on Select and select the ISO image. Now click on Start to start the process. Here select DD image mode and click OK. It will take to make my pen drive to bootable. Here it done. Unplug the pen drive and plug it in your laptop where you want to install. OK, now open BIOS and select the bootable pen drive. Here select the language. Click Install Ubuntu. Now here click any of 2. Here check the box to install third-party software. Click on Erase Disk and install Linux. Now click Install Now. Here select the location and continue. Here type your username and password for your usage. Click Continue. Now here the installation started. It will take me 25 to 30 minutes to complete. Now click on Restart Now. This is the complete installation process. If you want to run it on your VirtualBox, follow my previous videos, click the I button to watch now. If you have any queries, write below in my comment.